Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am super excited. Today is Easter, so happy Easter to everybody. I'm doing a transformation video showing you guys my hair, my makeup, my outfit. I have a lot of requests for my hair and my outfits for future videos, so stay tuned. I am going to be incorporating that from now on. Yeah, I'm really excited. If you guys want to see me go from this hot mess to this mess, then just keep on watching. First thing I'm doing is taking care of my skin because I know I want to do a full face of makeup and get really glam today. So I want to make sure my skin is exfoliated. So I'm taking the Duval spin brush. This brush is so amazing. It's like the perfect amount of spin, if that makes sense. It's not harsh on my skin or anything. It comes with 4 different brush heads that I'm showing you guys right here. All of the bristles on the brush heads are not harsh at all. They're very soft, but yet you still get a really good exfoliation out of them. And I really did love this. I kept getting it in my hair. Oh my gosh, it was aggravating me so much. They did give me a discount code for you guys to use, and are you guys listening? This is insane. They are giving you guys 70% off. I have never heard of a company giving 70% off of something. That is insane. So I will put my code right here for you guys to use so you guys can check out and save some money. So after exfoliating, you always want to make sure that you're moisturizing right after. So I'm taking the Mix Easy Face Cream. And the cool thing about this brand is that you can actually choose everything that gets put into your moisturizer. Like, you can have first dibs on what you put into it, which I think is awesome. So here's a whole bunch of products on their website. I do kind of want to walk you through it on how to pick the ingredients. So I've got dry skin, so I picked dry. And this is where you can pick your own ingredients. So I chose rosehip extract for dewy looking skin, so I added that. I chose Brighten, and that has linden tree extract in it, and it kind of tells you all the ingredients, like what's in those ingredients and everything. I wanted to plump and hydrate my skin, and I also wanted to make my skin a little luminous because I love healthy, dewy looking skin. And I also chose Minimize Pores, and I can't say that ingredient because I don't want to butcher it. And you can also pick the scent. So I picked the cucumber one, and you can also get it with no fragrance if your skin is sensitive, and you can put your own name on the bottle. How cool is that? And again, I will leave my coupon code here on the screen for you, and that should save you about $5 on your order. I really loved this. I only specifically use both of these in the morning because this product is so cooling to the touch and it really just wakes you up. You can also use this as a makeup primer. I didn't, just because I waited a little bit to let it sink into my skin. I also used the matching eye cream, and I just used the same ingredients because I just wanted it to do the same thing. Like I said, super cooling to the touch, really just wakes you up in the morning. I put a little bit too much on. The cool thing about this is you don't need a lot, so I feel like this is going to last you for a really long time. So yeah, just make sure your skin is moisturized. Like I said, I did let this sink in a little bit before I applied my makeup. So for makeup, the first thing that I went in with was primer. This is a new primer in my life that I am so obsessed with. This is the new Stila Hydrating Perfecting Base, I believe. I am so in love with this. I'm not going to talk about it too much because I am going to put it in one of my favorites. Now, this part I got really scared about because I self-tanned last night, and I normally never self-tan, honestly. I'm just mixing it with my Charlotte Tilbury liquid highlighter. But yeah, I never self-tan, and I was kind of scared that this was not going to be my shade, but it ended up working. You guys can see my reaction. I was like, oh, heck to the no, girl. And I was like thinking of a way to fix it, but I was like, you know what? We're just going to roll with it. Once I put on my concealer, everything melted in beautifully. And I will say, I am growing a new obsession for self-tanner. I am in trouble. For concealer, I'm taking the Chanel concealer in the shade 10 Beige. I love this. It melts into the skin so beautifully. I barely need to blend it. Really love this. It highlighted good, all that stuff. I am just not good with voiceovers. I'm sorry. I'm going to like stutter and all that stuff, but you know what? It makes it more personable, right? Right. Okay, so this powder, I'm just going to say a few words about this because I am obsessed with this powder, you guys. This is the new Fenty Beauty Lavender Powder. I wasn't sure if I was going to like this or not, but I completely fell in love with it. It smells so good, and the thing I love about it is that it brightens really good. That's all I'm going to say. You guys will hear more about it. Taking the Chanel bronzer. You can definitely skip out on this. It really didn't make much of a difference for me because I went in with another bronzer anyways, but do what you want to do. I just wanted to use it because I hadn't used it in a while. Setting the rest of my face with the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder and wiping away all that bake. I wanted to do something really simple with the eyes and really just focus on the face and the lashes. So I'm just taking 2 shades out of the Tarte and Aspen Ovard palette. I'm pretty sure you can't get this anymore, so I apologize, but luckily I only used brown shades. So I just took a light brown shade, and then I also just took the darker brown shade right here and just kind of intensified that outer corner just a little bit. So that's really all that I did. I wanted to open up my eyes a little bit more, so I'm taking just a nude liner from Makeup Geek and doing my waterline with that, and quickly popping on some Ardell Wispies. For bronzer, I'm using the Morphe Megastar Bronzer. I can't use this when I'm pale just because this is a very orange bronzer. But let me tell you, with the tan, this bronzer is beautiful. Like, I was obsessed with how that turned out. I love orange bronzers. I don't know, I'm just weird. I love orange bronzers. I want my under eyes to really pop, so when I want that, I always take my MAC Emphasize powder, and that just really brightens up the face. I really do love this powder. And then for blush, also taking MAC. This is the Spring Sheen blush. Just really nice glowy blush. For highlighter, I'm taking Ofra Rodeo Drive. This highlighter is so beautiful. This is also in my obsessions this month. I just really love this. I'm like giving away all of my favorites for my favorites video. But I do really love this. And then for lipstick, I did line my lips with Nobby Earth lip liner. And then taking the CoverGirl liquid lipstick in Coral Chronicles. I really ended up loving this color. I think this color is so perfect for spring and summer. So for my hair, I am going to show you guys how I curl it because I always get requests for how I curl my hair. I did end up washing it the night before. I used the Mix Easy shampoo and conditioner. So same thing, you can choose all the ingredients in this, which again, I just think that's so awesome. I have never seen a brand do this. So for me, I chose, let me see what I chose. I'm kind of watching this because I forgot. I chose Strengthen, that has root extract. I chose Deep Condition, has avocado extract. Shine has hop extract, and I believe I did choose a Lengthen. Yes, green coffee extract, and then also I chose the same thing that I chose for my face cream, which was Plump and Hydrate, and that has hyaluronic acid. And I also chose the same scent, which was the cucumber scent. Again, you can get no fragrance if you choose so. Really love this, made my hair soft and silky. I literally could run my fingers through my hair after the shower, which I never can do. Again, we'll leave the discount code on the screen for you guys. So all of my hair products are from Lange. I'm so embarrassing. Did you guys just see that? Okay. Yeah, they're all from Lange. I have I believe it's a 32 millimeter or a 25 millimeter. I think it's a 25. I am obsessed with this. I have 2 of these ones. So good. Facebook sucked me in. So how I curl my hair, you guys always ask. So I always curl over the barrel, and I always leave my ends out. I don't really curl my ends or put any heat on my ends. So that's really all I do. There's really nothing special. You guys always ask how I get the volume. It's just, I guess it's just my hair. I mean, I have really good thick hair, which is a blessing but a curse at the same time. So for the front of my hair, again, over the barrel and leaving my ends out, and then all I will do is just flip the hair over on the opposite side of my hair. That was a really good curl that I just did right there. Did you appreciate it? Because I appreciated it. So yeah, that's all I do. So there's really no secret to it. So this is the outfit. I never really do like OOTDs or like outfit videos for you guys because I feel like I'm not fashionable. I just kind of want to show you guys what I'm going to wear tonight. I just really love this shirt. This shirt is from Forever 21. And it's got like cute little ruffles. This whole outfit is super old. I'm pretty sure it's not even on their website anymore. It's like a year old. But I love the sleeves on this. Just so cute. And you guys know I don't really like to wear a lot of colors. I just like muted colors. So these pants are perfect. They're pink. Not too pink for me. Love these. I also got these at Forever 21. I'm a Forever 21 girl. For my jewelry, I'm still deciding on earrings. I don't wear earrings. Like this and this bracelet is all that I wear. You guys always ask me about this necklace. My mom actually got this for me for a wedding gift. I think she got it at like K's or like one of those stores, but I actually have this linked on my Like to Know It app, so you guys can actually buy the same necklace. So I'll leave everything down below for you guys to click. And this bracelet I wear all the time. It goes really good with the necklace. My necklace is rose gold and this is gold, but it's okay, whatever. I'm kind of choosing between. These are really pretty. I got these at Macy's. I got these also at Macy's, and these I got off Jane. I'm kind of debating. I kind of want to wear these because they have the pink and the white on there. I like the little tassels. I think those are super cute. I haven't worn these in forever, but I really do love these. I have these in white and then also in black. Oh, I almost dropped it. I don't know. Do you guys feel weird when you wear like big jewelry like this? I feel weird. I don't know. I don't feel like myself. This is what the back looks like. Little kids just came out here and did a whole Easter hunt right there. I thought it was so cute. I am going to link this whole entire thing on Like to Know It. Like I said, I'll leave my link on the bottom so you guys can just shop everything, like literally everything. If I can't find this shirt and these pants, I will link something similar. So yeah, and let me show you guys the shoes. So these are the shoes that I wear. I can't really walk in really high heels, so yeah, I just have these. I actually wore these for my wedding day. That's why they're so dirty, but yeah, I love these. They're so just simple, and they have like that scallop lining right here, and I think they're super cute. So that was my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had so much fun creating this look for you guys, and the hair and the outfit. I loved it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and I hope you guys have a magical Easter, and I love you, and thank you for watching.